Step into a realm where design and functionality gracefully converge. Introducing the TANREI series, a testament to the collaborative genius of the Japanese knife manufacturers Miyabi and Zwilling. This line encapsulates the essence of Japanese and European knife-making artistry, offering a slicing journey without comparison. What elevates TANREI? Forged with over 100 layers of steel for an edge that exemplifies the renowned sharpness of Japanese knives, TANREI redefines precision with every use. Each knife in the TANREI collection is a work of art, displaying a unique Damascus pattern that reflects the singularity of your culinary adventures. Merging unwavering sharpness with the flexibility your cooking demands, TANREI knives are as enduring as they are versatile. Born in Seiki, Japan's historic blade heartland, and perfected through age-old honing techniques, these knives are crafted for seamless, rocking motion cuts. TANREI transcends mere functionality. It is the promise of Zwilling to unite heritage with innovation, creating not just kitchen tools, but enduring legacies.